As you all know, as this, the only thing that will stop a mosquito from biting you. DEET. No need to explain much, you all know already. This one from Russia. So this Russian technology prevent rust, electrical insulation, and super lubricant. This one will they will spray in their rifle for your Glocks, for your SAR-21. This one will prevent IA, prevent your rust, and make everything inside very smooth. This one, electronic insulation, is for preventing current leak out into the, so like rain come on your, say, lights. So it prevent current leak out into the water, so prevent short circuit. Prolong the lifespan of all your electronics, like electronic motor, you run through the rain, the puddle of water, it will not short circuit. This to prolong the lifespan. Now this rust prevention, they all say at least 1 year. At least 1 year can tahan on your surface because it's so fine, it sits deep into the pores of your metal. And I can confirm it's true because this thing was from Funan. This since 2013. So now I think it's about 12 years. Oh, now it's the 13th year already. 13 years. You see this stupid thing never rust. Look at the bottom. The bottom was WD-40. See, so jialat. And this one, 13 years, 13 years already didn't rust. So this sample here can show you it works. It's not bullshit one. This is a 13-year board. So that was this one. Prevent rust on your bicycle chain or whatever you have outdoor, your gate, your hinges, your bicycle or whatever metal thing made of iron. Just spray a little bit. If nobody touch, it will not rust. This will prolong the lifespan.